What's up guys, Sir Mix here. On this video, I'll be teaching you how to link your GCASH account to your Google Play Store. Now let's start. Open your Google Play Store. Tap your avatar icon on the upper right corner of your screen. Select Payment and Subscriptions. Tap Payment Methods. Tap Link GCASH and tap Continue. Google Play will load the GCASH page and you have to put your registered GCASH account number and tap Next. If you still doesn't have a GCASH account, you may visit their official website at www.gcash.com and select Register. Enter the 6-digit authentication number that was sent to your registered GCASH mobile number and tap Next. Enter your 4-digit MPIN. For confirmation, please read the terms and conditions for verification. All purchase will be auto-debited to your GCASH account. Check the checkbox and tap Authorize. For the second time, GCASH will send a 6-digit authentication number. Congratulations, your GCASH was already linked to your Google Play account. You can see the status if you will be going back to the payment method window, and be sure you have enough balance before using it as your payment method. Again, this is our Mix of Mix Gaming PH. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button as a support for this channel.